So DigitalREM Production, we've been working for since 2013 with companies, brands that help them, you know, create content so they can market out to their audiences and let them know what their company provides, right? Branding, how to set up how they set up their websites, from even the content they produce on social media, things like that. DigitalREM Production helps you with the content. Branded content, you need production type of some content production now, because now you have ad spends, but you need something effectively targeting your audience to bring your money back to you. That's how DigitalREM Production and consulting works together. And it's really simple as that.